Uke wazama ukungibulala naye kokucala wangigwaza la waphinde wangigwaza la at the age of 16 wangithola ngihleli kanje bekathi ungihlabala umese wangangeni wangihlabala waphinde futhi wathi uyakuyihlabala ungihlabala wangihlabala so bekukokucala phuma ireason ukuthi azangigwaze vele bese ngiphuma ukuthi angibulale vele bese ngiphuma so ufuna ukungibulalela lokho ukuthi angisafuni uSandra uyeza siyamemeza uyeza nayo uSandra sesi3 sibamba umnyango phela ipetrol la ngaphansi asiyiboni thina soloko sibamba umnyango and yime ngiphambili ngisho uyithela la ngaphansi la petrol iyehla atvu engibambe siyekela umnyango bongani uyabaleka uSandra uyabaleka sengisele ngiyiwani uyangena siyalwa manje siyalwa ngiwe ngiyavutha ngapha athathe lesa sigubhu futhi angidoze by the time angidoza ngithi nayi yamthela nayi imbambe aphuma baleke ungena emotweni nanya somebody wathathe ibonga ngifuna angithi umbulele manje ufuna ini so kuye nje kwazi
Sanibonani Mzansi, and welcome to another episode of the Hope Revolution podcast. I'm your host, Unomcebo Agayaka, your sister that is always available to listen to your story and engage with you. In this podcast, we provide a platform for open discussions on various challenges and experiences that are unique to both men and women. And if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. And if you're not joining us for the first time, thank you so much for the amazing support. So as you all know that every week we have a special guest that comes to the studio to share their story and their experiences about life. So today we are joined by an amazing, beautiful lady, Usislindi. So Usislindi will be introducing herself. Sawubona mama.
Sanibonani ninjani
Siyaphila ma.
Ngiyaphila.
Thank you so much for making time to come and join us. So to people who don't know Usislindi, who is Usislindi?
Usislindi uLindi wakazitha uvela eMamelodi. Usisi ka Khabo Zitha, the legend of Banyana Banyana.
Oh, okay. Yes. So we have another celebrity in the
studio. Yes.
Next one.
Yes.
Siyabonga mama. And thank you so much for joining us. Begu short notice, but siyabonga ukuthi you decided to come in
and share the story.
How has been I upbringing yakho mawukhula? How was it?
Bengekho lula ekukhuleni because ngikhuliswe i-single parent umama and azange abe nenhlanhla empilweni usikhulise kanzima akusumuntu ongathi mhlambe umsebenzi indawo yokuhlala sikhulile emcashweni mama zange abe nendawo ngeyakhe so lapho kwakunzima kakhulu because besihamba sicasha nathi ayiwani nganamuntu ongamakekela mhlambe makaye ematohweni gcina sishiye ecrash sisala siyi2 nokhabo kuba yithi bokugcina sesihlele esitubhini simele umama buye emsebenzini then uyabuya uzosithatha.
What was the reason ukuthi azayochasha nani angahlali nomndeni, or was there a reason?
I-reason ukuthi usuke angithi yazi abantu abaningi basuka emakhaya beze ngapha abantu bazofuna umsebenzi so nasekhaya emuva la vela khona bekangasena abazali kusele umalume wami nabathi bayekhaya baya kamalume wami so kwabanzima nje uthaza afike ngapha.
And umalume already naye beka nomndeni wakhe.
Umalume naye beka nomndeni wakhe.
And then ubaba, do you know ubaba?
Yo, abana masiza kuya kababa ibabhlungu kakhulu. Cause okay fine si 3 kumama.
Okay.
Ubhuti wami omdala unobaba wakhe.
Okay.
Mina nokhabo share umama nobaba. And then ubaba wacala wanikeza umama mina siloko sisemcashweni waphinde wabuya wamnikeza azange kwaba umuntu ongathi uyamthatha ufuna ukumshada ngithini into yakubo kapha bami labo baba labahamba benza abantwana uyangithola ni and then
so ninamanye ama-siblings somewhere
kusho ukuthi ubaba unabafazi abayi-2 emfazini omkhulu unabantwana abayi-7 nathi ngaphandle siyi-7 mina nokhabo yithi sihamba siyi-2 kube nomunye nomamakhe unomamakhe until yenze 7
so he was never there
azange abe khona empilweni and asebenza kahle he was a correctional officer
and how did that affect you
sure ibenzima kakhulu ukuthi size sifike la ifike khona because ngabe bekubaba onamaqiniso othanda abantwana bakhe ngabe wathatha umama mfunela nanoma ngabe istand imkhukhunyana athi nimbeka la but kuye azange benjalo laba abanye bomfazi omkhulu ibo abathola uthando angeniswa nesikolo yonke into then thina siloko sikhula kunzima futhi
I'm sorry about that but at the same time kunezinto esizifundayo in such experiences
Exactly.
yeah kunezinto esizifundayo you are taught to be strong you are taught
exactly, yeah.
to focus
Empilweni,
because I believe sometimes even noba bakhona bazali there are things that you need to as a human being ukwazi ukuzenzela regardless because now you know ukuthi makunje the first thing mawuthola umsebenzi okay let me work on ukuthi umama thola umuzi you know kunezinto ezikumotivateayo but in a painful way kabuhlungu so Sisilindi how did ukungabi khona kwababa empilweni yakho affect you
yeah in affect kakhulu because angikhulanga ngiseduze nomuntu wesilisa
sure
ngingakhona ukubona i-wrong ne-right ngingaze ngangena indabeni zama-relationship from my first boyfriend azange kube lula I think I was 16 years old when I met my first boyfriend besisesesikolweni naye bekayi yazi abusive uke wazama ukungibulala naye kokucala wangikwaza la waphinde wangikwaza la at the age of 16 wangithola ngihleli kanje bekathi ungihlabala umese wangangeni wangihlabala waphinde futhi wathi uyabuya ungihlabala wangihlabala so bekukokucala okwesi2 ngazohlangana na this guy masiloko sikhula bekunalento ukuthi kunomuntu uthi maka hlangana nawe endleleni bathi ukuthatha ngenkani
yes
salwa wathi ngifake ebhuthini waqala wangigwaza ispine
okay
namhla ngihlushwa ispine wangigwaza ispine salwa wathi ngifake ebhuthini zange akwazi kungalwa ukuthi ngangena ebhuthini wangithatha wangilahlela emotweni sihamba saya bese angithi besihlala emcashweni baba wami unomuzi nomkakhe wesi2 akakudanga saya ekhaya wafika abatshela ukuthi mina bengahlala ekhaya abatshela ukuthi mina ngaphula i-windscreen so ufuna i-windscreen ibhadalwe mina ngapha ngilimele okwesi2 kwesi3 ngazoshadwa uGodfrey wakaMalupi soloko nje ngihamba kuleyo ndlela leyo hlangana nabantu abenza into efanayo ungibona namhlanje nescar yazi nangakhumula ngimabhondobondo ngathi ngiyichita wangishaya ngebhodlela la sibanga yona indaba yomntwana sekhaya ukhaba ngivakashele sikubo mangiphuma ukhabo bafuna ukuhamba bekeze nabangani bakhe and nabokhaba ngithi uyababona ngiyamtshela ngithi sebusuku khaba ngeke nihambe bayazi ba-aware abafana ukuthi nimantombazana mina nomlingani wami sibanga indaba ukuthi mina why ngingafuni ukhabo ahambe ngithi phela ukhabo umntana sekhaya should anything happen
yeah you'll answer
uyangithola okay fine sesiyalwa manje nasilwa ungishaya ngebhodlela ikhanda naliphuka nakalibuyisa le wes3 so lento kusingi prone kule nto.
So you've started with your first boyfriend.
First boyfriend.
You were at the age of 16.
16, yes.
So let's go back a little bit. So after getting this boyfriend at the age of 16, uyaqala ukuya-abuse the first time.
Yes.
Iqale phi? Did it start verbally, or it was a thing ukuthi uvele wasuka waba physically?
Yasuka nje yaba physical.
And then at that time, was there a way of you telling your mother or your father? Because I think around 16, ubaba begeza, go,
No,
come.
azange
Beyangasezi that time.
Azange sikhule singa asimazi beyangezi.
So nazi nje ukuthi ninobaba.
Sinobaba.
That's it.
Ngikutshela ngithi kabo mama khabo baba abazi nesibongo saka mama.
So umama kaziwe.
Isibongo akazi nesibongo saka mama.
So after getting this first boyfriend, uyagwaza. Did you manage to, who was there ukuthi ukwazi ukumsharela about this abuse that you are under?
Obvious ukhabo ngoba besikhule sisonke.
So your mom never knew?
Umama mbekazi but bekazi umama mara umuntu bengishare naye kakhulu ukhabo.
So was the stabbing wound deeper, or it was in
Yes,
the
ngenza ne-operation.
So your mom took you to the hospital.
Yes.
and all that. How did you manage to uphuma kuleyo relationship, the first relationship?
Wathi nasekeza athuzongihlola bengasafuna ukuphuma. I-reason ukuthi azangikwazi vele bese ngiphuma.
That was
Ukuthi
the reason.
angibulale vele bese ngiphuma. So ufuna ukungibulalela lokho ukuthi angisafuni. And ungithola kabo umngani ngihleli kabo umngani. Bekulate angithi semcashweni asinane TV.
Yes.
Same street ngithi ngobukela TV. So kanti yena uphila angitreazy. Uyangibona nangena ngiyahlala ngibukela TV. Mama ngiphelezela na umama wami uyazi ukuthi ngisenkingeni. Uyangiphelezela ungishiye egedini kabo umngani ngiyobukela iTV. Uyazi ukuthi ngesikhathi esiso istory nasiphela uzobuya zongilanda. Loyana ubonile umama ukuthi uphumile ungena endlini wangigwazela khabo mngani e-dining room. Cause vele bengasafuni i-reason ukuthi bekathi uyangibulala.
Did you open a case?
Ngayivula i-case.
Your mom
But
was
me-
supportive.
Mina futhi
Oh,
angithi uyazi ukuthi love made us to do strange things.
yes.
Mina futhi
Wayivala.
ngalicisha. But zange sisachubeka isikhathi kwaphela. Saqeda vele relationship.
Then jumping to your next boyfriend, who's also abusive towards you. Iqale kanjani abuse yakhe?
Ngathi bekumuntu obekazithandela
Amantombazane.
amantombazana. So sibanga into ezinjengalezo nje yabona. Zokuthi umuntu nokhuluma naye kufanele akumamela ngisho.
Sure.
Yeah. Ukuthi into eso angiyifuna nginomuntu ufanele ube nama boundaries.
Yes.
Yeah. And then umtshela ukuthi le oyenzayo angiyifuni. So ngoba ifunwa uye mina nangiyisola then iba wrong.
So you're not allowed to say
Akufanelanga.
anything. And then the first time ubona ukuthi this guy is physically abusing me, what did he do?
Uyangishayelana nje kokucala. Iyona leyo yokuthi mina ngiyamkhuza ngifuna yekele lento efunwa uye.
But wakwenza, did he hit you with something? Wakwazi, what did he do?
Wangishaya ngezandla.
Ngezandla.
Wangishaya ngezandla, wangishaya. Nje bese kuyinto yakhe.
Ye normal
Sesilwana usongishaya nanoma kungekho
sting.
isidingo singa cause ngake ngafunda angiphuzi mina. Ngake ngafunda ngathi ngiyazama. So kanti utshwala azange bungifune.
Yeah.
Mangiloko ngithi ngiyafunda mas ngaba saphuza siyi-2
Yeah.
then lapho nesidumbu singaphuma
Because basically,
ya kuyaliwa nje kuyaliwa awazi ukuthi isukela kuphi
and
iyasuka nje kuyaliwa.
you were around what age? Ngaleso sikhathi?
I think I was lapho ma-30s 30s yeah
30s. So you were old enough.
yeah but kuye kwaba different because kwafika isikhathi azangatshele umuntu waziyekelela yena after sekangilimazile waziyekelela yena waba umuntu usekayasonta wadecide nokuthi angilobole vele nje wazishintshela yena so kwenzakala ukuthi azange aphila isikhathi washona but yena ushone besekashintshile and kunganamuntu omenze ukuthi akashintshi yena self.
I wish all men can be like that. Ushintshe nje ubone no
Yeah.
right no wrong, you know. Let's jump to your third relationship. Where did you meet this man?
Yo umngani weneighbor yami uyazi uzovakashela umngani uyangibona labantu laba uyakhipha makakufuna
Imali.
ukhipha imali uyakwenzela
Yes.
sisengathandani uyenza so mina ngabona ukuthi hayi umuntu right muslim enye umuntu wesifazane omunye nomunye yinto ayifunayo
True.
umuntu unesilisa okay fine hayi sathandana but angimazeli namanje ngeke ngikutshele ngaye angimazi umuntu njani so like abantu nabangibona nginaye bangibuza bathi uzolunga na because lo muntu uyisayiko. It was 2015 when we met. Saloko siphusha nasiphusha ngiyayibona lento abantu bebangitshela yona. Ngithi nayi lento abantu bebangitshela yona. And then akangitshela ukuthi unomfazi. Sengizwa ngabantu ukuthi unomfazi. Ngiyambuza why ungasho ukuthi unomfazi. Uthi hayi wena phuma lapho. Umuvango. Umele understand ayithathe. Yo njani? Okay, siyayiphusha. Ngibona kahle ukuthi la angeke ngilunge. Mase ngithi angisafuni. If ungibona nginawe uza kuwe uzokutshela amanga ukuthi phela ulindi uthi wena wenza 1 2 3 ila ngibona khona ukuthi ayila kunye akusitse right. So waya komunye usisi bengiphila naye wathi uyaya uyomtshela ukuthi mina usisi lwana wathi angifuni ukwazi ukuthi benikhuluma ini leyo eyeni. Ngamcolela saphusha nyana izinyanga nyana hayi ngadayila angeke ngisalunga manje ngamenzela protection order 2016 we were involved no 2015 2016 ngamenzela protection order but angithi useza emnganini.
Yes.
Still siyabonana asilwi mina naye nana ngamenzela protection order asilwi uyeza kuyacociwa kunankinga nami ngayimosha nekhona lapho akunankinga soloko siyacoca up until ifike la umkakhe it was 2016 angithi sahlukana.
Yes.
Yeah. Athi 2021 early 2021 uhlala kagogo wakhe uhlala nomama wakhe gogo washona kusena umuntu una 3 abantwana abafana nomfazi umkakhe nomama wakhe mama wakhe akaphilanga ekhanda umfazi 2021 wa decide ukuthi yena uyamshiya mina ngikho lapho umfazi uyahamba uyamshiya and then uyasala umfana wakhe i-second born yakhe iyaboshwa nayiboshwa udecide ukuthengisa indlu yena
Okay.
and uthengisa indlu umama wakhe ukhona endlini uyaphila and indlu yakabo mama yabona so athengise indlu ahambe aye kuma squatter camp ayohlala lapho umama wakhe azange acede even a month was beyining mama wakhe washona so he had ukuthi athengise yonke furniture lena bekayithengile akasenamali imali iphelile
Yeah.
mina nokuthi uthengise indlu ngizwe ngabantu ngicocela ukuthi uzwile ukuthi umuntu osothengise indlu okay umama wakhe angcwaba umama wakhe kuphela isikhathi nesiloko siyakahlala ngesikhathi naye ukuthi le ndawo akusindawo yokuhlala abantu ngoba babulala abantu uyasuka uyokuchasha eNelmapias e6 akajwayela ngibhadala irent angisho yeah so irent yalapha iyamhlula urela sinama small business ema-taxi amancane ma-golf
okay.
yasobiza ama-small business urela ama-small business angisekho empilweni yakhe.
And then umuvile from being your neighbor also. Sekahlala somewhere else.
Bekangasi neighbor uyani mina ngimazi nge-neighbor yami.
Okay, when umazi
nge-neighbor
yami.
yami.
Okay, okay.
So usukile lena uye eMafias e6 uhlala khona manje akajwayela ngibhadala irent. Sucaka indaba yerent manje. Izinto manje zicala ziya impilo manje iyehla. Iyajika impilo ayisasingale ndlela yena bekayicabange ngakhona. Okay fine. Ngelinye ilanga uthi kimi ustakile and then ku late ucela ukuthi ngimlalise only one night. Yabona leyo one night leyo yiyo eyasifikisa la sifike khona. And ngingazi ukuthi ngimsize ngithi ngimsize. Ngimlalise lelo langa lelo. The following day uyabuya. Kanti le la xesha khona ubalekela indaba ukuthi akabhadala irent. Uyabuya the following day uyangifonela ukuthi vula igate. Vula igate. Ngithi phela mina lo muzi akusimuzi wami. Angeke khonakala ukuthi wathi ngithi vula igate ngiyobulala manje. Yo. Sengiyavula ke. Imlalisa eroomini ngaphandle mina ngilala endlini. Ulele ekhaya kithi for 8 months. Ifamily ingazi ngihlala noma step mom. Endlini akazi ukuthi kunomuntu emzini wakhe. Vuke kuseni uyaphuma uyahamba ntambama uyabuya. So lokhu uyangithreathena ke kanjalo. So ufuna izinto zenzakale ngendlela yakhe manje. So impilo yami manje siyila isandleni sakhe. Mangithi akasafuna ukuzwa next. So ufuna manje mina naye sikuyelana. So angeke yenzeke kukhonakala. So wena ufuna ubuye kimi ukuthi mina ngokuthwale ngoba phela manje wena so awusena nix. Kuthi manje uzele ukuthi mina ngokungcwabe. So lokhu uyangithreathena every day athi wena ngiyolala nawe amathuna wethu Mamelodi sobiza ukuthi Zehidal. Athi ngiyolala nawe so Hidal. Why? Ngoba mina angifuni ukumthatha serious why ngimdoubt. Ngimdoubt ngiyenzani ngaye. Ngiyokwenzani ngaye. Mina ngimthwale ahlale kithi ngimsupporte and nami angisebenzi.
West-part uhlukene.
Solo sahlukana ngo-20 yona le 2016. So ngiyomthwala kanjani? Waloka hlala ke. So yes kuna this young man esihlala naye sim-adoptile sinogogo but not official. Sisonta naye. So yasihlukumeza soyithuke. Uthi ubongana kahambe kuhlaleleni. Then kusale yena. Khaya kunama taxi small business lekhumbi. So hlukumeza ama driver. Gijimisa ama driver. Mina ngihlala nama driver. Mina waye ngimlalisa ayi-1 ngaphandle mina ngilala endlini. Yazibona intonyana yana ezinjengalezo. Attempt ukungibulala 4 times. Kokucala wenca igate. Wazi routine yami ukuthi ekseni ngiyavuka ngabo 5 ngivula igate ngivulela ama driver and then ngibuya ngisalali. But that day ngenza izinto vice versa. Avula ngangena endlini usually angisakhiyeli nangivukile. That day ngakhiyela ngalala. Yena ungaphandle umile uphethe umeso ngaka kumele mina ukuthi nethi ngiphuma
Akwazi ukuthola.
ya vele uyongibulala. Wayengca futhi wangicela ngale ngaphandle. Wangigada ukuthi mhlambe ngiphume ngegate. Angizange ngaphuma nangegate. Kweza udriver wathi nakafika egeyitini ngithi ngivulela udriver ngamangala seka engicela igate ucabanga ukuthi ngivulile kanti angakavulanga okokucala okwesithu uyeza bekuyinkathi lezi ama load shedding and ugada le load shedding leyabo ma 8 uyeza sinobongani sivela emall bese uthenga igrocery sekulate abo 8 siyangena ngibhizi mina ngisekitchen ngikhiphana negrocery ubongani uthi ngiyabuya ngisayo basinyama besihamba ngemoto ngisho makafika egate ubracketa ubongani ukuthi angahambi uthathelwe nobongani ifoni mina ngisendlini busy ngikhiphana negrocery ngasikudala ngiyambona uza efestereni la kusekitchen uthi ya wena iza la ngithi yo nango kucalile kumula amabrelo wamkhipha amafoni ngibekela lapha ngiyaphuma naye ngiyamlandela la ngithi ngithola ubracket ubongani ngifika egate ubongani ngiyagijima yakhuphuka umthathele nefoni manje sekuyimi naye ke manje sesiyalwa manje
physically
ya ufuna ukungilahlela emotweni uthi ungishisele esigangeni yo siyalwa nakangilahlela emotweni khanda lami libe ku driver seat umzimba kube ku passenger seat nginyathela umnyango lo yana ukuthi angavaleki yo angishaye ngekhanda la ngizwe ngathi ngigwinya amazinyo yo angilume la ukuthi ngiyekele angazi amandla ngawathatha lelo langa lelo aphinda ngilume nala
so he was forcing
ya
you to
ukuthi
get emotweni so that
ngilwe kakhulu wabona ukuthi hayi angeke alungi uyangiyeka uthi ya ujwayele ukushaya amadoda mina ngaze ngashaya umfazi mina and mina impi angiyazi ngikhulanga ngempi ya ujwayele ukushaya amadoda okay fine hayi siyayikhulumisa August 3 yangisho kwes2 umuntu ocala ujump gate kwes2 ungifake emotweni sibisile kwes3 uza nepetrol ngihlele egarage ekhaya emini uyangena nakangena ungithola ngizihlalele lapha uthi kimi uyathula ungene wathula kuthi isikhathi nasesihamba uthi kimi yazi uthi thanks isigubhu lesi petrol bengifuna ukubizela lapha neroomini and then ngidoze then ngishisa uyasuka umthatha lesa sigubhu uyosithele etankeni emotweni le ahamba ngayo fine okwes3 yangisho wencisa ilanga eli1 ilanga lesi3 uyangishisa uyeza futhi yabo 8 load shedding futhi ngibhizi ungithola always ungithola ngisekitchen uyafika efestereni futhi uthi le golf le izolala la nginkani hawo izolala la nginkani njani ngoba khabo le golf istrate silandelayo ngithatha ifoni nomntwana ukhula phambi kwethu nginama contacts wakhe ngifonela lo mntwana because ngeke ngamtshela ngathi umuntu wakhe lo driver wakhe le uforced ukuhlala ekhaya kithi and then uyang-abuse and then uyangithreatena ungitshela the way ezongibulala ngakhona ngithi ngifonela lo mntwana ngiyamuzwa angithi ufike efestereni wathi le moto izolala la uyaphuma uyolanda imoto ngiyayizwa nakayingenisa ekujardini ngithatha ifoni ngifonela lo mnikazi wemoto lo mntwana ngithi uyasibusiso nangumuntu wakho ucalile nangufaka imoto nethi ngisakhuluma ngefoni mangala umuntu nangiyambona so uyadlula yimi lona ngijimela eminyango ubongani usekamereni kunentombazana bathi uSandra bekazokweleka imali kugogo uSandra usekamereni la kagogo angithi ngiyambona uthi ngijimela eminyango ngibamba umnyango bongani iza nangu yena sekuyimi nobongani sibamba umnyango uSandra uyeza siyamemeza uyeza nayo uSandra sesi3 sibamba umnyango phela ipetrol la ngaphansi asiyiboni thina soloko sibamba umnyango and yimi engiphambili ngisho uyithela la ngaphansi la ipetrol iyehla atvu engibambe siyekela umnyango bongani uyabaleka uSandra uyabaleka sengisele ngiyi1 uyangena siyalwa manje siyalwa ngiwe ngiyavutha ngapha athathele sasigubhu futhi angidoze by the time angidoza ngithi nayi yamthela nayi imbambe aphuma baleke ngene emotweni nanya sengiyarola lapha phakathi kweflame ngiyamemeza yazi ukuthi ngiyasha bengizwa ngobuso bami ukuthi ngiyasha bengizwa ngimemeza yo ngithi akunamuntu noyi-1 uke wafika kuleya scene leyana ubongani ubalekile sengisele ngiyi-1 ngiyasukuma manje uNkulunkulu anginikeza amandla ngiyasukuma imlona ngiyagijima sinale tasibini le enkulu yabona eminyango sithela amanzi thatha ibhakede ngifake ibhakede lilana emanzini ngiyathela endlini ngiyacima cause ngithe ngithi nangivuka lapha ngathi ngibalekele ekamereni ngabamba umbhedo
kwasho
umbhedo uyabamba yo ngiyacima lapha yana angizicimi ngithi net nangacima indlu yakagogo phela nje cime indlu uthi nayicima ngizicime nangisuka lapho sengiyakhumula ke ngithatha igawunu ngiyagcoka ngiyashintsha ngithatha ibag yami faka amafoni wallet sengifuna esibhedlela manje umlilo soyagijima manje ngenhlanhla yazi ngiyambonga umntana kamamami ngalendlela umama masikhulise ngakhona asenze ukuthi sibe into yini my younger sister she's a correctional officer naye since aqala ukusebenza ngifaka medical aid because lapha yana ngabe bengiye ku public hospital bengeke ngilunge nangiphuma mangifike egate khona ngithola ama neighbor community sebase gate kwenzakalani uphi yena awulimalanga angisafuni next
you feeling the pain
yeah umlilo okay kumnandi ukuzona namakhelwane ngapha kamakhelwane bangithathe bangirashisele to the nearest private hospital yazi bengibona ngathi ngedebene endleleni manje esibhedlela bengathi ngedebene memeza indlela yonke yazi ngene emergency ngimemeza since ngicina ngingena emergency ngimemeza ngaba kukhoma
so yonke lento mayiyenzeka ugogo kuphi
ugogo uhleli ekamereni and then she's 84 years
she's old
cabanga uhamba nange-walking frame akazi ukuthi enzeni ngokukhosa usenda uthena kabalekela kuyo ugogo wamnikeza isikhiya ukuthi avule umnyango we-dining room waphuma wabaleka ugogo uhleli babaleke bonke ngisho mina ngapha ngiyasha ugogo uyenza njani
through all these attempts azama ukubulala was there anyone what decided ukuthi you know what right now I'm opening a case
ngeke ngayivula icase bathi okokucala ngithe ngicile bathi abazi ukuthi uhlala kuphi bamfunela kuphi
that was the first
nami bengingazi ukuthi uhlala kuphi because lapho bekasengaqali ukuhlala ekhaya ngalivula icala lapho
so ayikho into ebebengayithola engamtracer or anything
mina bavele bathi kimi akunakuthi singaqhubeka because nami self angazi ukuthi uhlala kuphi angibeka ku coma for 3 months se-ICU that's why ngithi ngambonga umntana kithi because bangenza idlo kanjeni skin craft
around zonke lezi zinto mazenzeka obvious you had your siblings you had your mother bathini mababona yonke lento yenzeka
oh my stepmom
you with your stepmother around that time
mama mashona 2003
oh mama beyangasekho then you moved in with the stepmother bathini how did it affect them
iba affected kakhulu because ba end up besesibhedlela ukhabo nogogo simbiza ugogo sasisesibhedlela sonke soyi3
and then makaqeda ukubaleka what happened
ubalekela emnganini cause after ngibuye esibhedlela ngafuna kumngani la balekele khona ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle bengifuna iclosure kahle ufike kuye cause uye wokugcina ukuphelele kuye mhlambe kuna something amtshele yona
yes
cause naye wazi nini ngashona because vele the following day kwaba neruma yokuthi
So awusekho.
angisekho ngatrenda kakhulu hayi kancane kakhulu.
So in the back of his mind, awusekho emhlabeni.
Yeah. Cause yazwenzeni. Uthi nakabalekela kumngani wafike waboleka ifoni yomngani. Ufike walala nakasho bathulele khona lapha emotweni. Umngani umbone ekseni. Umangela umuntu ushile and then cause yena ushe kudlula mina nabasho. Bathi bekahlubeke nekhanda leli belipinki. Umngani uyathuka ukuthi and then kanti kwenzakalani? Uyamtshela ukuthi ungishisile. So ucela umngani ukuthi abangifonele ezokuthi right ongifile kwempela na. So amafoni sekaphethe ubongani. Ubongani uyabatshela ifamily angithi sekugcwele ma news ba family neighbors. Ubongani uthi nanga lo muntu ubhizi lokuyafona ubuza ngolindo. Ubongani uthi ngiyamuzwa ibackground ukuthi uye utshela lokuthi makabuze. So somebody wathathela ubongani phone wathi angithi umbulele manje ufuna ini. So kuye nje kwazi ngashona. So wabalekele emnganini mina bangithathe bangisesibhedlela the following day kusho ukuthi i-community bagijima nabokhabo bagijima ama-police station nebhedlela ukuthi mangeza umuntu okanje then nesifonele. Umngani nakavuka ekseni wamthatha wathi umise ekliniki bathi mosweni uyafuneka wabaleka wazise e-police station.
So lo muntu ulale ashila njalo. He never thought about going to the clinic. The only concern bekana is that ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi ulindo usaphila or ufile.
Abalekele police station makafike police station bafonela ukhabo nobongani. Because indaba yefamily yakhe vele besekayi-1 that's why bekana lento ukuthi athi mina kunamuntu ozongikhalela nangifika kunamuntu yayibona ukuthi umuntu ozidelile ozinikele. So and then mara ufuna ukuhamba nami angazi ngaliphi mina ngingenaphi la. So ngomusa kaNkulunkulu ngoba angisiye wakhe mina ngisho. Yeah. Bamvalele bafonela bokhabo bafike nobongani nabafika bamthola charge office. Ukuthi bengikwate kakhulu bengathi angamceda khona lapho. So yazi umthetho awuvuma ngeke bamkhiyela. So angazi mina ngithi angisazi manje ukuthi kwenzakalani mina ngukoma bathu appearile nase court.
Okay.
So bathu 30 minutes ukuthi akhuphuke lapha na the way bekashenga khona. So bathe ngoba ulimele kakhulu ithi cala bahlehlise and then bamise ekliniki. Bamise ekliniki bayambhandisha wabuyela emaseleni. The following day wavuka shonile.
How has this whole thing affected you?
Yo. Affected kakhulu because impilo yami ishintshile after this whole thing. Because end up being psychiatric ward. Because bengeke ngilunge. Namanje inokutrigger.
Yeah.
Ingisizile isession lena i-psychiatric ward because bekunzima ukhawathi kimi before ngangazenza ngathi ngistrong.
Yeah.
Ngahlala 2 weeks ngibuye esibhedlela ngathi hayi ngistrong khaba lokuthi hey uyayidinga le therapy ngathi hayi mina ngi-right. Yabuya into yokucala i-environment engiyo yenzakale kule mangibamba umnyango wekhishi kubuya le yanto leyana. Nangezwa ukuthi ngithi yo nangu
because ubuyele ku the same house.
You understand? Yeah. Nangizwa ngithi yo nangu that's why ngithi manje inokutriggera ingisizile le therapy mana kungcono kakhulu.
Do you think
because manje angifaki anything nami ngiyafisa ukufana nabanye abomama abafaka ama makeup.
Yeah.
So angeke ngisaphinde ngifake I makeup because no nasemlomeni ngasha. Ama taste buds wami vele nje sengiyadla nje.
But
izandla zishile
is there covered?
yabona ukuthi manje impilo amishintshile sefana
You
nakucala
can't wear just anything.
angeke angisazenzeli kusho ukuthi manje yangi-affecta kakhulu, especially ukuthi ingishintshe impilo nje ngingasaphilile impilo le, because mina number 1 anginamama, anginababa, anginamntwana, anginandoda, so ufanele ngiziphilele njengomuntu independent angisho.
Yeah.
So kwaba njalo ke empilweni abantu esiphila nabo.
Taking you back a little bit, abantu already bakubuzile your community ukuthi uzommela na, you know, because maybe kunezinto abazaziyo
Bayamazi.
and along the relationship kunezinto that came through and you were like, this angeke ngiyimele.
Yeah.
What are those points or those things that he was doing ezibezikwenza ukuthi uthi no, this is a no for me?
Like ama-red flags.
Yeah, what were the red flags?
Yona le ukuthi akasafuni umuntu around me.
Yeah.
Mangithi ngiyemall ufuna ukungithatha angibeke and then abuye azongithatha. Wangithola benginomngani uCynthia. Makafikile kufanele yonke into ime.
Yeah.
Maybe ngisaphelezela uCynthia. Uzobe bese kalona bumakhelwane. Bese kalona ama neighbor. So ufuna yena kube uye. Yena uye
The
manje.
main person. Shuto yonke into
Yeah, so yang-own manje. Yang-own. Mangeza umuntu azongifuna, ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani ufunani. Sengathi manje siku relationship besingekho bengasena into yenzakalayo. And manje abantu banalento ukuthi angeke ahlale ekhaya kithi ukuthi akunanto yenzakalayo. So bona bebangazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Yeah.
And abantu yabazi ukukhuluma bayakhuluma ba right banalento ukuthi azamshise kunesisusa ba right vele sikhona isisusa sokuthi azangishise. It's because of bangakhuluma izinto ezinegative. Yeah, udle umthengisise indlu wadla imali iphelile uyamxosha. Bengikuphi? Uthengisa indlu ngo2021 ushisa ngo2023. Bengikuphi mina? Ngoba nokuthi uthengisa indlu angiyazi. Bayakhuluma, yeah, umthengisisa indlu. Ama comment umunye, yeah, ubeka uchitile and stuff. I-right isisusa sikhona. It's because of uthengise indlu yakubo and then wadla imali yakhe nayiphela so ufuna ukuzohlala kithi. Sibanga ukuthi manje mina fanele ngibuyele empilweni yakhe and then ahlale ekhaya kithi. That's the reason. Le ukuthi bathi izimali siyachita kwenzakalani. And ungathina uzele ukhulume ngoba lento ayikho kuwe akakakufikeli ne. Ukhulume ngendlela wena ofuna ngayo. Nami I never thought ukuthi one day ngizoba kulesimo lesi engiso. Ngibona yenzakala le kude le up until ngize ngibona yenzakala kimi.
I think that's one thing we need to understand about
Yeah.
life is
Yeah.
that into yenzeka komunye umuntu,
Yeah.
don't ever say it won't happen
Yeah.
to you. Impilo has a way of teaching you something.
Exactly.
Kufana namanje ngizokugxeka ngithi no, uye bekazi yena bekasukela indoda. You get into a relationship.
Bekahlaleleni.
Yes,
Ukuthi bengihlaleleni bengimsaba because yazi umuntu nawumbona ukuthi lento uyayimina and then uzoyenza. Sengisaba ukureporta efamilini ngithi once nga involve ifamily yami then the way I psycho ngakhona uzomake sure ukuthi uzohlukumeza abantu basekhaya kithi. Ngathi mina ngizoyiceda kancane ngizayilungisa yazi yafika la ifike khona.
I'm so sorry. But ezinye izinto I can't say ukuthi kumele ziyenzeke kumuntu because number one, it's a traumatic experience. Zibhlungu. But there is someone out there who's learning something
Exactly,
from your experience. And some of them are going through the same thing. And they are like, I need to get out as soon as possible. ukuza uzoshare story sakho, I think that's one thing we need. Telling real life stories. So that umuntu who's in the same shoes, or umuntu that is about to face something, uzosho ukuthi I watched uSislindi talked about this and this is the sign that I'm seeing. I would like to thank you for trying ukuthi usize abantu abesifazana out there. You're not only helping abantu besifazana, but you're also helping men, because there are men that are in abusive relationships. It's just that mawuqala umuntu wesilisa, you start speaking, you're considered to be a weak man, or you go to the police station, you open a case, but buyele ekhaya uyokhuluma naye. You know, those are the things they say. But umuntu makangasekho emhlabeni, then it's a pain. Man, I would have done better. Ngabe ngikhulumile naye, you understand? So for you to come here, I don't just take you as uSislindi, but I take you as uSislindi that is very strong. And not just strong, but you are a teacher of life. And lokho kukuvelele, it's angokufiseli even my worst enemy. But in the with the therapy that you have started, can you please continue with it until or reach at that point now you are coming back to yourself? Because as you still have those triggers, it's a problem.
Yeah, a problem.
Yeah, akukabi right. So I would like to thank you so much for coming and sharing your story with us. Siyabonga.
Kubonga mina nami ngiyayibonga iHope Revolution podcast ukuthi nami ngikhona ukushare istory sami ukuthi abantu empilweni bazi ukuthi izinto ezisozikhona ziyenzeka. Nami ngiyabonga.
Bonga thina.
Thank you.
Guys, I think Masihlele Makhaya, we need to learn something. We should not just watch, but we need to learn something out of all these episodes, because impilo esiphila kuyo, it's no longer like before. We're facing a lot of things, and it's traumatic and it's painful. There's a lot going on, and GBV is one of the biggest cases that we have all over the world, not only in South Africa. But besicela ukuthi if there are people that are going through similar situations, please sukuma, do something about it, open that case, notify your families, because we have a problem where people are being abused in their relationships and no one knows. They just keep quiet. So speaking about it, just tell that one or two people around you that you trust, you know what, if anything happens, I'm gonna run to these specific people. And I hope someone out there is learning something. And now, Lisa, that you are there, I believe you are learning something here. Don't grow up to be a man that is abusive, physically abusive, verbally abusive. Try to be a man that you sit down and talk about them. And thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time, same place, next week. Bye-bye.